Do you know about the first commercially available liquefaction process? The process is called as Bergius Process, through which the petrol can be artificially prepared from coal. Denser, and as a result, the liquid crude oil is obtained. The crude oil is fractionally distilled to give gasoline, heavy oil, or middle oil. The middle oil is again hydrogenated to yield more gasoline, but the heavy oil is returned to form the paste. Coming to another type of fuel, power alcohol is the mixture of ethyl alcohol and petrol. It is used as a fuel in internal combustion engines. Power alcohol increases the octane number, reduces the carbon monoxide emission, and absorbs the moisture content present in the gasoline. Biodiesel is an alternative source of the diesel, and the source is obtained from a renewable source. It is prepared through a chemical process called transesterification, and through the transesterification process, glycerin gets separated from the fat, or vegetable oil. In addition to the separation of glycerin, it leaves another product, methyl esters. Nothing but the chemical name of biodiesel. And it is a kind of fatty acid. And glycerin is a valuable byproduct, used in soaps and other products.